Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. Hey, I'm at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. And these heading tags are super important because they tell Google what your site's about. So Google knows what it's about, then they'll know what to rank you for. So you'll see here, I have you pulled up here, and I went ahead and you can see you have a few too many H1 tags. And so the H1 tag on your website is really this, so Google Anderson Plumbing. And right now you're telling Google that it's about Gifford Anderson Plumbing, contact us, Gifford Anderson Plumbing. And that's not really what your site's about, right? And the other item is the metadata. So you're basically telling people Gifford Anderson Plumbing is a family-owned business. But again, if someone's searching for you, you want to make it crystal clear on Google what it is that they're searching for. And what they're searching for is Sonoma County plumbers. So you'll see that the people, when I search Sonoma County plumbers, all this metadata, which are the blue lines here, they're all talking about Sonoma County plumbers, because people are not going to Google Gifford Anderson Plumbing, because someone, when they're looking for a plumber, they're going to Google things like Santa Rosa plumber, Sonoma County plumber, Sonoma County plumbing, a similar keyword. So those are just a couple things I wanted to help you see. Just changing your metadata and your H1 to be something like in your keyword, that will significantly help your rank. And then also, if you ever want to go ahead and check your rank, I never check ranking by Googling yourself, because if you keep doing that, slowly Google's going to see what you're looking for and they're going to start moving you up. So instead, I actually use this other third-party tool called Rank Tracker. And if you want, you can get a free subscription for a month. Check it out. Anyways, I have you pulled up here, your URL, and then I also pulled up your keywords, and you can see that you're only ranking like on page like 4 to 8 for all these keywords. And that'll change really super fast if you just change your H1 and metadata based on your keywords. Again, it would be like Sonoma County plumber, Santa Rosa plumber, and just wanted to show you that. Thought it would help out. I know that everyone's going kind of through a little downtime right now, so I thought maybe I could just help you look at that. And then if you have any other questions, I'd be happy to help you. We can fix your website if you want. We can also help you get to page 1 on Google, which will most likely double your income. That's because that's where 90% of traffic is. I mean, most people don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. I know I don't. If you have any questions, just reply to this email. Let's get you on the first page of Google and get that phone ringing. Thank you so much, and I wish you success.